Hey, hi guys. Good evening.
Hey, good evening, sir.
My screen visible, guys?
No, sir. Sir, Vinod and Yashwant is not here.
Yeah, why not?
Not aware of this.
Why?
Don't know, sir.
Okay, no problem. Maybe they are busy in their schedule. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Guys, we already completed what last class as a try catch finally, right? And exception propagation
Yes,
also we had completed. Try catch, try with multiple catch, try with single catch, try with try catch with finally. And what guys, there is a that exception propagation. So that exception propagation, how we can wha- handle that exception and how it is going to throw in that means in that stack frame, how it is going to create it, and one method to another method, how it is going to what guys, getting that exception each and everything we had completed, right guys? So today we can
yes,
complete what throw and throws case, right?
yes,
Throw and throws keyword, there
yes,
is a two keywords is there guys. Throw keyword is there and throws keyword is there. So what is the purpose of throw and what is the purpose of the throws guys? So you people can check here guys, inside that in this example I'm going to explaining what. See, this is that you people to know how we can creating that class. And what I did here guys, I'm going to created one method guys. I'm going to create a one method that is public static void read file is that method guys, right? So you people can check here, there is a throw keyword is there and throws keyword is there guys. See, throw is nothing but what type of exception means we are going to throwing that exception guys. What is that exception? IO exception. And inside that IO exception, I'm passing what guys? This is that IO exception is that what I'm passing this data guys. I'm passing this data and throw guys, this is a throw keyword. By using throw keyword we can what guys, exception we can throw, right? Then that
yes,
throws
sir.
keyword will be handle that exception guys. This is the throw keyword, this is the throw keyword, this is that what guys, IO exception is that predefined class, right? So that IO exception is that predefined class. It is throwing this exception, guys. Throw keyword throwing this exception. This exception handling by what, guys? There is a keyword that is throw keyword,
Yes,
right? So the
yes,
throws keyword what IO exception it is going to handling means how that try and catch is there, right guys? Try block having to that try block having to that risky code means exception code, and that catch block can contain that creating that object of that exception. Same as like there is a what guys, there is a what throw keyword is that throwing that exception. And by using what what keyword guys, new operator. By using new operator we are going to throw in that exception, right? So that exception handling
yes,
by which keyword? Throws keyword. So that is the keyword handling inside that where in method implementation it is throws keyword we can use inside that where method signature guys, right? And it is throwing that throw keyword throw the exception, throws keyword handling that exception. How try catch it's what same as like here guys. Throw is a throwing exception, throws is that handling that exception guys, right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes,
Then what I am going to doing here, what I am going to doing here, see here guys, error reading file guys. Error reading file is that my data. Error reading file is that my data. So what should I do here guys? So there is a throwing that exception and this throws keyword handling that exception guys. But when I'm going to calling this method, I'm calling this method, guys. Then inside this method, inside this read file method, there is a exception is there or not, guys?
Yes, sir.
There is a exception is there inside that read file method. So that read file method we need to handle by using what keyword, guys? Try and catch keyword. Try and catch keyword we need to handle, right, guys? So that is the reason what should I to do here. I'm going to taking that one class and we are going to creating that one method. Inside that method I'm going to throw in that exception. So that exception how it is happened, that exception throwing that exception, that exception handling by the throws keyword. Inside it is we can use where, guys? Throw and throws keyword we can use. Throws keyword we can follow what, guys? Constructor we can use. Method along with that method also we can use, guys, right? And coming to that
Yes,
where,
sir.
guys, we are going to calling, when I'm going to calling to the read file method, at that moment there is a error is there, exception is there. We need to handle that exception. How we can handle? This is the line has a having to that exception, and that is the exception we need to handle in where, guys? Inside that IO exception, inside that catch block,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is the way we can use to that throw and throws keyword, guys. I will go through that as a practical, guys, then you people get that knowledge. You can check here. What should I to do? I need to create, guys. Before that, go to that what? If people can check here, guys, there is a what hierarchy is there, right? IO exception came where? IO exception. Where is that IO exception? IO exception come. This is that what, guys? Checked exception or unchecked exception, guys?
The checked exception.
Checked exception. So when I'm going to
Yes.
throwing this kind of exception, then someone should be handle that exception. Someone is nothing but throws keyword handling that exception, guys. I will go through that
Yes.
as a practical, guys. You should be check here. Go to that your Java thing. There is a exception. Create a class. Throw and throws example, guys. Class name. See here, what I'm going to doing here, I'm going to doing creating that one method, guys. Public void file. File is that my method name, and here I'm going to throw in that exception, guys. What type of exception? See, by using that throw keyword, guys. This is the throw keyword using what type of exception? IO exception. IO exception I'm going to throw in, guys, here. IO exception. This is the error I'm going to throw in. Right, guys? So
Yes.
inside that exception, I'm going to what? Using something here. This data I'm going to use into something writing, guys, inside that IO exception. See here, guys, it is expecting throws keyword, that when I'm going to using the throw keyword by using new operator, I'm going to guys, this is the throwing, right? Someone throw, someone catch
Yes.
that exception, guys. In real time also, in cricket, guys, when you are going to playing cricket at that moment, someone what guys, bowler should be throw that ball, yes or no guys? When that ball come as a someone will be catch, right guys? Right? So same as like here guys, that throw keyword throw in that exception, and this exception should be handled someone who are going to handling that exception means throws keyword. You people can check here guys, use that add throws declaration. See here guys, IY exception I'm going to using here. Guys, getting or not it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So now what I'm going to doing here, I'm going to using what guys? I'm going to creating main method. I'm going to creating main method. Inside that main method, I need to call this file guys. If you people can think this is the static method. Yeah, this is the static method. I'm going to calling this method guys. How we can call to that static method by using that directly that method name, right?
Method.
Yeah, I'm going to calling that method, but it is going to what guys getting that error. Why?
Throws, add throws.
Yeah, means inside its file method, inside that file, there is a this is the file, right guys? There is a file, there is a exception is there. It is this is that exception, right guys?
Yes.
Yeah, that is that exception. It is what guys? It is compile time. It is going to saying to us. So what we have to do? I need to handle that exception. There is a two ways we can handle that exception. What guys? How many ways we can handle that exception? By using throws keyword.
Try.
Yeah, try catch and throws guys. You can use to the try catch and what guys? Throws.
Throws.
You people can check here guys. This is the way we can handle that exception. Guys, it
Yes,
is
sir.
getting or not, you people?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See here guys, that exception it will become this file. This is file. This is a file. This is a file data. See here guys, this is that output only. What I am going to writing inside this, see here, this is a file data. I'm going to printing guys. This is a file data. Right guys. Guys, it is same as like how it is happened by using try catch. Same thing it is by using the throws also we can do guys. I don't want to use what guys, try and catch. I need to use throws keyword. You people can check here guys. You people can check. I'm going to using what guys, throws declaration. Throws declaration I'm going to means this is the method is handling. Main method will be handling
Yes,
guys.
sir.
It is guys, I already how JVM will be handle that exception. How what default exception handler is there, I said you right. Same as like it is going to guys. May I explain that part?
No.
Not required or
No.
required? Yeah, see here guys, see here, what should I to do here? I'm going to calling what guys here. When I'm going to you running this application, at that moment JVM will become, right guys? JVM will become, JVM will become guys. So JVM will become and it will be checked into that main method or not. Main method is there. So main method, inside that main method we are going to call into that word guys, file method. We are
File.
going to call into that file method. But file method before what guys, we are not able to using to the throws keyword. Throws keyword I'm not able to using here and here. This is that compiler will be, it will be compile, it will be do guys. This is that compile, it compile time it will be do, it is happen that compile time only. Right guys, that IO exception comes under only compile time only. uh right. So it is that IO exception as a checked exception, guys. IO exception is the checked exception. What it will be happened? That the compiler will be, guys. It is here is the not JVM. It will become as a compiler only because of that IO exception come at what, guys? Compile time only, right? So now that JVM will not able to come here, guys, right? You people can check. So first of all, that compiler will be checked. First of all, what this is that this is that compile time error. We got that exception at compile time or runtime, guys. Compile time only, right? So compiler will become, yeah, compiler will become, and the compiler check that every line, guys. Compiler will be check every line by line. It will be checked. There is a no error here, also no error. But coming to that next line, there is a error, right? So there is a error is nothing but we are using that what keyword here, guys? Throw keyword. So throw keyword when we are going to using, and by using the throw keyword, throw is nothing but throwing some exception, guys. Please throw that ball. We can in real time we can call, right, guys, like that. Throw. So by using the throw keyword, we are throwing that IO exception, guys. Means this exception comes under with a compile time. Then compiler will be checked. Hey, it is getting that exception. What type of exception is getting compile? Means compiler checked. This is that exception is checked by that compiler, right? So what we have to do? We need to hand over this exception, guys. Who will be hand over this exception? You can there is a two ways we can handle that exception. When I'm going to using the throw keyword, when I'm going to using the throw keyword, this IO exception should be handled by that word, guys. Throws keyword, there is a throws keyword is there, guys. You people can check here. See here, guys, there is a, we need to hand over to this exception to that what throws keyword, right? You should be, yeah. I'm going to throw in some exception, right? Throw keyword, it will be say, guys, throw, I'm going to throw in some exception, that is checked exception, but we need to hand over here only, right? So there is a possibility is there, guys, that is the throws keyword. We need to hand by using the throws keyword, we are going to handle that exception, guys. How we are going to using to the try catch, same as like try block can be having to that word, guys, risky code. That risky code related object we can create in catch block. Same as like you people can check here, guys. Throw keyword, throwing that some exception. Right, guys. This is that risky code. Risky code is new IO exception is that risky code. So that that risky code I'm going to throw into that someone. That someone is nothing but throws, guys. Right? There is a try catch. There is a catch block can be handling that exception. Here throws keyword handling that exception, guys. You can see here, guys. I'm going to using what throws declaration. When I'm going to use throws declaration, it will be handle this exception, guys. This error it will be resolved. You people can check here, guys. You people can check. There is no error. There is no error, but I'm going to calling to this file, guys. When I'm going to calling that file, at that moment there is a exception is there or not, guys? See here, you people can simply you can identify, yeah, there is a compile time error is there. We are going to handling that exception throws to that throw throw keyword throws to that throws keyword. That throws keyword handling that exception. Okay, no problem. But when I'm going to calling this method, when I'm going to calling to the this method, there is inside that what, guys, where I'm going to calling inside that main method only, right? I'm calling to that where inside that main method. Means it should be when I'm going to calling you, someone should be handle this exception, guys. When this you people can check here, guys. This is a this is that method, and main also one of the method, guys. When that throws keyword throwing that exception at that moment, that what, guys, throws keyword used to handle this exception. Yes or no, guys? But coming to that when I'm going to calling this file inside that main method, so here also some what, guys, error is there, right? So someone should be hand over this exception, guys. Which method which is calling to that file, that is method, that method should be hand over that exception. How I am going to hand over? There is a word, guys. Two ways we can hand over that exception, by using try block, try catch block, and by using that throws keyword, guys. You people can check here, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to using first of all try and catch, guys. I'm going to using the try catch. This is the way we can hand over that word, guys. Exception, right? File method having that exception. That file method we are going to use what, guys? Risky code and catch block handover what, guys? Creating that object, right? Creating that object, and we are using what, guys? Print start trace method we are going to hand over using here. And if you don't want to hand over by using try catch, how many ways we can hand over that exception, guys? How many ways we can hand over that exception?
The keywords try, catch, and throw.
Try catch final, bro.
No, finally, guys. Why come to that finally, block? Throws keyword, try catch, and throws keyword. Guys, you people should be remember here.
Yes.
Throw keyword, throw what, guys? Throw that exceptions. Okay, that predefined exception is there, guys. Throw keyword always throwing some exception classes is there. That classes should be thrown by throw keyword. Okay, and that exception handling by that what keyword, guys? Throws keyword, right? But when I'm going to calling here in this scenario, when I'm going to calling to that file method, at that moment there is a IO exception is there. So I need to call that, I need to hand over that exception. There is a two ways we can hand over that exception, by using try catch block and by using what, guys? Throws keyword. In this method getting this throws keyword handling. In this method getting that compile time error, then who will going to hand over that exception, guys? Main method only need to hand over, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is the reason what I'm going to doing here. I'm going to what, guys? Instead of try catch, I'm going to using what? I'm going to using here
Throw and throw.
throws keyword. Throw, already using here throw keyword, guys. I'm using throws keyword. You people can check here. I'm going to using, yeah, this is the line will be getting that error now. This is the line will be getting that error, and always you people can check. See here, guys. Just your cursor keep onto that this method, guys. There is a you can read this, guys. Unhandled exception type IO exception. There is a two quick fix available. Means there is a two ways is there. You can fix that exception. It is going to force into us as a for that developer. So we can use to that throws keyword, or else we can go for that word, guys, try catch block. Okay, I'm going to use into that now throws keyword. See here, guys. This is the way we can use to that what, and over to that exceptions.
Yes, sir.
It is very simple, guys. It is very simple. If you are good into that try and catch, then that throw and throws is that very simple. Try having to that risky code, catch block having to that what, uh, creating that object. Here also throw,
Exception, what type of
yeah, throw keyword is throwing that exception, throws keyword and
exception?
handling that exception.
Handling exception.
Right, guys? Yeah. You people can check here, guys. Two ways we can handle that exception, by using try, by using try catch, by using throws keyword, guys. Two ways we can handle that exception. Not only this, guys, tomorrow we will see what there is a customized exception is there, guys. Customized exception is nothing but I will what we have to do here. Guys, someone getting that what music here, please. Mute your mic. Right. So tomorrow we will see what, guys. There is a, what is that concept? Customize exception is there, guys. By using that customize exception also, we can use what? Throw and throws keyword.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, guys, that part also can we complete now only?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See here, guys, customize exception, how we can develop. You people can concentrate here, guys. I'm going to using, first of all, I need to create one class, guys. My customized class I need to create a class, my custom. See here, guys. See here. Actually, there is a word, guys. We need to extend that exception from where? We need to extend from that where, guys. There is a runtime exception is there and exception is there, right, guys? We need to extend this class from that where exception. And what, guys? How we can guys? How we can write customize exception is nothing but this is the way, guys. We need to create a one class and extend from that exception. Extend from that exception class, and we can create what, guys? There is a constructor is there, guys. We need to create that parameterized constructor. We need to create here. See, I'm going to create in that parameterized constructor. I'm going to using str message, right? And use to what, guys? There is a super keyword is there. Super keyword. I'm passing to that word, guys, here. Message. Guys, you people to know uses of super keyword.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Super cool.
You directly call the
Parent class.
parent.
Yes, yeah. When I'm going to use into that super keyword, then super class is nothing but exception only, right, guys? Yeah, it will be executed from that where exception class constructor will be executed, guys. Okay. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so this is that customize exception, guys. What should I to do? This is the first I'm going to creating, and I'm going to creating what, guys? One more class I'm going to creating still here. Uh, test my exception. I'm going to writing test my exception. Exception. I'm going to testing my exception class, guys. What should I to do? I'm going to using, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to creating that one method. Inside that method, what should I to do here? What should I to do? You people can use what, guys? There is a throw keyword is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Throw keyword. Yeah. Or else, what should I to do here? I'm going to give an what, guys? Yeah. In the okay. Uh, yeah. Voter. I need to check that. If we want to eligible for that vote, what is that age we have to require, guys?
18.
Age 18.
18, right, guys? Int age equal
Yes.
to, I'm going to give in assigning as a 18. And I'm going to checking that condition, guys. I'm going to checking age greater than 17. Then, guys, that age that see here, my age is that greater than 17, guys. Already age what is that age can contain that 18.
18.
It is that condition true or false, guys?
False.
True,
False.
true, sir.
Instead of age that what, guys, 18 will become
Yes, sir.
Then condition true or false.
True, sir.
Throw new. What is my exception class name, guys? Here, what is my exception class name? My exception, my customized exception is there, right, guys? I need to throw that my exception here, guys. How I'm going to throw in that my exception? If people can check, where is just my exception, right, guys? So throw new my customized exception of, this is that constructor, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, customize exception.
Zero parameter.
Yeah, previously that IO exception is that a predefined exception, guys. This is that predefined exception. IO exception is that predefined exception. But I don't want to write what, guys, predefined exception. I need to write as a customized exception, right? So what should I to do here? See, user are eligible for what, guys? For vote. User are eligible for vote. This is that my I'm going to writing this word, guys, exception. You people can check here, guys. There is a add a throws declaration, guys. There is a customized exception I'm going to passing. We should be use what, guys? Throws declaration, right? This is that my customized exception, guys. It will be print this when I'm going to using running this application. This is that my customized exception, guys. User are eligible. If this condition is true, guys, when this condition, this block of code will be executed, when this condition is true, at that moment this code will be executed. Now condition, or else if it is condition is false, this condition is false, then what should I to do here, guys? I need to print what? Throw one more exception, guys. Throw new my customized exception, my customized exception, user are not eligible for a vote, right? User are not eligible for vote, right, guys? This is that my word, guys. I need to throw add throws declaration. See here, guys, my condition, if it is satisfied, my condition is satisfied, then this block of code will be executed. My exception, what I wrote, that my customized exception, user eligible for that vote, this is that output should be print. If this condition is not valid, at that moment, that what, guys, control should be come in where, guys? Else block. Then this line, this block of code will be executed. User are not eligible for vote, right, guys? You people can check here. See here, guys, user are eligible for vote. My exception throwing to me here what, guys? That exception, user are eligible for vote, right, guys? So means this is that condition is true. I need to
Yes,
make
sir.
as a this condition as a false. What should I to do? I'm going to writing what, guys? Age greater than 19. Condition true or false?
False.
False. Then my what, guys? Control should be go to that else block. That else block code will be executed, guys. See here, user not eligible for vote. Guys, this is that customized exception. You people getting or not?
Yes, sir.
What should I to do here, guys? How we can implement that customized exception? First of all, we need to create what, guys? Exception class. See here, we need to create as a we need to create as a one class, guys, and we should be extend from where, guys? Exception class. We should be extend from that exception class, super class, and we need to create what, guys? We need to create one constructor. Yeah, parameterized constructor we need to create, and we need to call what, guys? Super keyword. Inside that super keyword we can pass as a customize except what, guys? This is that message we need to pass to that for that super class. So super class constructor will be what, guys? Superclass constructor will be executed, right?
Directed.
Yeah. So at that moment, what I'm going to, this is the way we can implement it. And coming to that, where, guys, where test my exception inside this class. What I'm going to doing here, I'm going to creating one variable, guys, local variable. I'm going to create it, and I need to check what, guys, user eligible for vote or not. I need to check that condition. If user are eligible, user age is that greater than 18, then that user should be eligible for that vote, right? So I'm going to using what type of keywords here, guys. Instead of
Throw.
SOPL, instead we are going to using what, guys, throw keyword. Throw keyword, throwing that my customize exception, guys. Customize exception means, see, guys, this is that developer written that message are already what, guys, uh, predefined classes exception, guys.
User defined.
User defined only. I'm writing this message, guys. That message only it is printing or not, guys, it is.
Developer. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you people can check here, guys. You people can check that exception example 3 or throws. You people can check here, guys. In this example, what happened? Instead of a user what, guys, user defined exception, it will be print what, guys, customize exception object, it will be print. You people can check. See here, guys, IO exception. This is that IO exception, and what we are going to using. See here, guys. Inside that also we are going to using what?
File data.
This is a file data. I'm going to what, guys, given that some data, guys. That is that printing.
Yes, sir.
How to use to that custom? How to create that customized exception? You people getting or not, guys?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Yeah. In real time scenario, most of the time we can use this only. Customize exception only. Where is that?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
why we create customized applications?
Customize exception, huh? See here, guys.
Ah.
See here, guys. This is that why we need to go for that customize exception is nothing but there is a word, guys. Tomorrow you are going to developing that application, right? You are
Yes.
going to developing or else, guys, very simple example I will show you. This is my application, guys. This is that my application. Inside that softlearncity.com, right? Yeah, go here. You can check here, guys. This is that my application. So in this application, what I am going to doing here, this is that what, guys, login form is there. This is that login. Once that registration is done, then there is a user ID and user password is there, guys. User ID and user password. See here, guys. I'm going to passing what, guys? What wrong user credential. Wrong user credential. See. So what is that output it will be going to printing to me? User ID or password is wrong. This is that customized. When I'm going to seeing this line, it is that understanding easy way or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
It
sir.
is,
Easily.
it is, yeah, it is what, guys, understanding to that customers. Customize exception why we are going to use means we are going to trying to understand to that customers. Yeah, there is that user ID or password something is wrong, that data easily understand to that everyone. They are not technical people, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the reason we can implement that word, guys, customize exception. See here, guys, here is that user ID or password is wrong. Instead of this, if I write to what, guys, if you are not able to implement customize exception, then there is a word, guys, there is a IO exception, file not found exception, resource not found exception. It is identify, it will be understand, guys, to that user.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Resource not found exception, it will be user to understand, huh? No,
No,
right?
sir.
Yeah,
User not.
yeah, that is the reason what should I to do? for that user to understand, user to make as a understand, guys. We need to understand to that users. That is the reason instead of printing to that what default exception, we need to improve. We need to write as a customized exception, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
As
sir.
getting or not it?
Yes, sir.
Getting, sir.
Getting right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is the purpose we can implement to that customized exception. That's all. You can take any API, must and should require there. If our application has a username password is valid, then one more exception I'm going to throw in, guys. Login success. It is understanding to me or not, guys? Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the purpose we are going to implementing that word, guys. Customize exception.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Do you have any questions into that? How we can implement customized
No,
exception?
sir.
No, sir.
All right. Okay, guys, you people can practice it, guys. That customized exception is that very, very, very important. You people go through that what practice with that try catch, and you people can come into that in real time scenario. We are not rare case we can use to try catch, guys. We can use always throw and throws keyword. You people can check here, guys. Really that in real time we can use to the throw and throws keyword. You people can check here, guys. Where is my application? Is there or not? I will check. User employee registration is there, and there is a service IMP. Yeah, am I implemented or not? I will check, guys. If it is implemented. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. There is I'm using that throw keyword, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes.
new keyword.
Yes, sir.
My developer exception handling. My developer exception handling is nothing but customized exception. Developer ID. What, guys? Developer ID not found. Please provide a valid ID, guys. You people can go and check into that. There is an implementation class is there. Yeah, see here, guys, what we are going to developing, that only we are using. See here, I'm going to creating one my developer exception handling class. Extend from where, guys? Runtime exception also predefined exception or not, guys? Predefined super class or not?
Yes, sir. So,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, runtime exception I'm going to using, and I'm going to using this is that constructor, guys. Parameterized constructor string message, and using to that super keyword, guys. Right.
Yes, sir.
There tomorrow there
Yes,
is
sir.
a concept it will become, guys, in what global exception handling. That exception handling you people can what, guys, understand. My developer exception, developer handling exception, invalid user exception. There is a developer handling exception. Yeah, guys, there is a global handling exception is there, guys. So how we can use into the global exception is means this is the way we can handle. I will explain when we can develop that project. In that moment I will inform. Right?
Yes, sir.
Presently you should be
Yes.
practice with that customized exception, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, we will see tomorrow if people can practice it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.